Lobelia is one of the ultimate summer flowering bedding plants. So this is an item that will flower all the way through the summer, literally from around about May right through till the end of the summer, well really up until first frost to be fair. So if you've got this planted as part of your hanging baskets, your patio containers, anywhere basically where you want a little bit of trailing growth just to add a splash of colour and break up any hard lines, Lobelia is the perfect plant for you. Now this particular item is really good because they're grown in garden ready form. So we deliver them to you a little bit later in the season, but the reason we do that is because we've done all of the work. So if you don't have a greenhouse, if you don't have space on windowsills and so on to grow your plants on, well, you don't need to because we'll do that for you. And when they arrive, they're going to be beautiful rooty plants just like this. So they're grown on, they're ready to go. These can get planted immediately you get them home, and then they will explode into even more growth with even more flowers. So we've done the work. You don't have to worry about them, but you can get them planted literally the day you receive them. Now, Lobelia is one of those items where you could grow it on your own, and this picture in front of me here, this is what a hanging basket full of pure Lobelia would be like. And I would put maybe 10 of the 20 garden ready plants into a basket of around about 12 to 15 inches diameter. So you could have a matching pair, you know, two 12 to 15 inch diameter baskets either side of a doorway, for example, with 10 plants in each. But actually what many people do, and I certainly do myself, is I'll dot these around. I'll have some big pots and I'll put 2 or 3 in each of those. I'll have some hanging baskets, so I'll include them in those. And you just get that lovely colour palette of blues and purples and whites and all those gorgeous shades that really do create a cool, calm effect. And that's what that particular colour palette does, but it does it in a cascading, gentle, trailing way. So if you want the classic garden look in your baskets, your pots, your tubs, your troughs, this is the plant to go. And Lobelia Fountain Mixed, I think, is the best trailing Lobelia available today.